Hello, Southwest Expeditions will begin our 2021 rafting and kayaking season the weekend of June 5th and 6th. We will be set up at the Calle del Norte Bridge behind Historic Old Mesilla on the river. We will offer a 3.5-mile river tube float, which takes 2 hours to float, and a 9-mile, 3-hour kayak paddle every Saturday and Sunday. No reservations required for the river tube floats, but call us for a phone reservation for the 9-mile paddle. Our hours will be 9:30 a.m. until 3:30 p.m. every Saturday and Sunday. The tube floats are $20 plus tax per person and include a tube, life jacket, and shuttle. The 9-mile kayak paddle is $35 per person and plus tax, which includes a kayak paddle, life jacket, and shuttle. We also will take phone reservations for Monday through Friday kayak and tube floats. You will need a minimum of 4 persons in your group to reserve these floats. Please call 877-808-6877 to make your reservations for the weekday floats. That's Monday through Friday. You don't have to travel all the way up to TRC to play in the river. Call us today. Thank you.